what it is, let's get on into the video. Okay, you guys, so I got this hair from a company on AliExpress. Let me pull it up because I don't remember the name, which is JK Hair Beauty, and these are the Remy Kinky Straight clip-ins, and they come in 8 pieces. I did get 2 sets of these. Now, y'all, don't judge me when y'all hear how I ordered these lengths, because I know y'all like, didn't you know that wasn't right? I know now. I don't know what I was thinking that day. So I got the inches in a 12-inch and a 24-inch. I know y'all laughing. It's okay, it's fine, it's cool, whatever. I must have been like half asleep when I ordered these, because I did order these clip-ins like late at night. I was just like, let me try some more clip-ins, because I really want to see if I could get some that I could color without damaging them. So I was just like, let me see. So I ordered them, and then I accidentally got a 12-inch, which I thought I got like a different inch when I ordered it. So when I received it and I seen it said a 12-inch, I was just like, that's not what I ordered. So I went back and looked at my order, and it does say a 12-inch, so I don't know what happened, girl. I don't know what I was picking or what I was clicking on, but I just did that. So I got a 24 and a 12-inch. So what I did, you guys, once I went back and filmed a video on this hair, because I was going to give you guys a review before I even colored the hair. And that's when my computer was broke and damaged, so I had the video edited and everything, and it just did not want to, you know, upload. I could not find it. I don't know what happened, you guys, so I don't know. So I went ahead, and after I did that video, I went ahead and ordered another set of clip-ins, because that 12-inch just was not working, girl, which is not blended in. It would blend it if I put the 12 on the bottom and then put the 24 at the top, but it would still be like thin. So I was just like, girl, this is not gonna work. So I went back and ordered me a 22-inch, and then I will have the prices on the screen, and down below I'll have a link as well, so you guys, you know, well, get all the little details if I did say. And I went and ordered a 22-inch. So I have in 22 inches and a 24-inch. And let me just move back so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. My color has faded a lot, you guys, because I've been wearing this hair probably for like, I know I've worn this at least a month, but I've had the clip-ins for like 3 months. I've worn it like, you know, on and off the last 3 months. So this is what it looks like. Like, it's blue and purple. There's different tones of purple just because of the way, you know, it's starting to fade out. So I really like it. I don't know what you guys think. I wanted to try with some color, and these things are bomb, you guys. Like, I bleached these clip-ins twice to get to the blondness I wanted. I wish I had like a video or like a picture that I could show you guys of how it looked when I bleached it, because baby, it would have even been pretty blonde, because this hair lifted. I just had to do it twice, but it lifted correctly. And I went ahead and used a door color. I think I used Violet Gem and then blue something. Blue Marine. I don't know. I will have it down below, you guys, on the screen. I'm not too sure which one's the name of it that I used, but I will have it on the screen. But it took the color so well. I wish I could have got on camera, you know, when I first did it, because baby, it was popping. Like, that purple is now turned into like a burgundy color, and some of my blue is turning to green, but that's totally fine. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys this video before I, you know, cut my hair off. So yeah, because I am going to cut my hair, you guys, soon, just because I just want a fresh start with everything. Like, fresh everything, you guys. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to just do better on my YouTube. I'm trying to do better with my hair, my skin, everything. So just remove everything that's dead, okay? Because my hair dead. It's dead. But anyway, let's go back to the hair. So I really don't have any cons with this hair, you guys. I really don't have any cons. Like, the pros, it's still kinky straight. It's still thick. These are better than the other clip-ins that I reviewed for you guys from, I think it was S Love Rosa. These, baby, because you can bleach them and it gives you a great color. Now, you will have to probably bleach it twice. I didn't get any shedding when I bleached it twice. You know, I'm running my hands through it now. I'm not getting any shedding. It doesn't tangle. It doesn't mat up. It's just bomb. It's really bomb. But the only thing I don't like about this hair, for me, the only con I would say is it's not as thick as my S Love Rosa hair. Like, it's thick hair. Like, you guys probably gonna say it's thick. It is thick, but it's not as thick as the other one. Like, my ends, even though it's straight, I feel like they're kind of thin. And it's not due to color or anything, because like I said, it was like this before I colored it. So, you know, it's not really the color. But other than that, I love how it is. I love the clip-ins. Well, there is a con. There is a con, you guys. There is a con. The con is these clips are raggedy. not like the hair, but the clips that the clips are on. So I do have the box. Let me show you guys what it came in, and then I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is the box that it came in. It looks just like this. And that's another thing I don't like. Like, it doesn't tell you like the hair company. It doesn't tell you like nothing. It don't tell you nothing. Even when you open up the box, it gives you nothing but like a piece of paper in there. These are the 12-inch clip-ins that I do have, so I'm going to show you guys what I mean by the clips. It did come in like little plastic bags like this if you guys are interested in seeing what that looks like. It just came in those, and then it gives you like a little, and that's just what's in the box. And then it gives you like this little, want a free wig from JK Hair. It tells you stuff to like do. You can get $20 wig coupons or $10 cash, stuff like that. It tells you about the quality and stuff like that. And it did come with a pair of lashes, but I don't know where they at. So what I mean by the clips being raggedy, you guys, like these clips, like these, the 12 inches are constructed a lot better because it's like the weft thing is even better. Like it's thicker, the band on it is thicker. I've noticed that with a lot of clipping companies, like the last two that I've done, if you get longer lengths, the band is not as thick as it would be on a shorter band, which is really, you know, odd to me. Like, why not make them all the same? But like the clips are raggedy. So with me wearing this hair for, like I said, about 3 months on and off, the clips have kind of cracked, and it's like one that's in my hair that's cracked now. I fixed probably 3 clips since I've had them in 3 months, so that's the only thing that I don't like. And I did contact the company and let them know that, because I was just like, that's, you know, it's ridiculous when you have to spend, you know, $50, $80, and then like I did, I got 3 orders of clip-ins, so I spent like $100 and some with y'all, and for me to have to fix them often is annoying. Like, should nobody have to do that? I don't care if they're like, well, if they're like $10, you know, $20, that's fine, but especially when I keep spending money with you, no, I don't really like that. So that's the only con that I have, is that the clips are really trash. Like, the clips are trash. Like, you can't, this is not like clip-ins that you can keep, you know, sleep. I wouldn't sleep in them. I told y'all that in my last video. Do not sleep in your clip-ins because it's probably gonna break. Don't be partying too hard in these clip-ins, or don't be combing your hair too hard. Don't even try to clip them in too hard, because if you do that, it may break. And they send you, I think they only sent me like 2 clips in the box, you guys, which is ridiculous. If I have a 8-piece set of clip-ins, you send me only 2 little pieces of clips. Baby, what that's gonna do but fix, baby, the 2 little tracks has got 2 little clips on it. And most of the time it's the longer tracks that break before the smaller ones. So I'm not a fan of how that comes. I'm not really a fan of the packaging, because like I said, it doesn't tell you like the company name on it. It's not even a colorful box, it's just a brown box. And I don't really like that. So it's not like I'm bashing the company or bashing anything, but I just would, I know packaging is a lot expensive for people to, you know, get and do, so I do maybe understand that. But if you're like a business and you've been running for a while, why not give us some cute packaging, like a blue box, maybe even a white box? But I mean, this is cardboard. At least put your name on it, a business card, something. I don't know. But this hair is pretty, guys. Like, I love the luster and the shine of this hair. This is the hair freshly washed and flat iron. I used the same flat iron I always use. I used MantiJaebeauty's products on this hair though this time, and I just think it made it look a lot shiny. So I like it. And like I said, to be bleached twice, baby, I think it's bomb. I think it's bomb. What you guys think? I really love these clip-ins. Like, I love the color of this. I actually want to get me a kinky straight wig and dye it this color, but of course I want it to be brighter than it so you guys can really see the purple. Like I said, y'all really could see it, but due to it fading and me washing it, I probably only washed this hair in 3 months, probably like, including yesterday, probably like 4 times. That's it. But other than that, I love this hair, you guys. I mean, I really don't have any complaints, except for, like I said, the packaging sucks, and then the clips on the clip-in suck. That's about it. But overall, with the hair, it's amazing. And let me say this in this video before I, you know, finish the video. I am about 5'11", 5'10", 5'11", somewhere around there, 5, whatever you want to call it. Because I know a lot of people ask me, like, how tall are you with your clip-ins? Out right there. But this hair is just so nice, you guys, and I think it'll last you a long time. Because like I said, it'll last you a long time, just not the clips will last you a long time. So I would suggest you you know, getting to Sally's and getting you like a little bag of clips. Go on Amazon and order you like a set of clips and you'll be good. But just holding on to their clips, absolutely not. And they told me, let me tell y'all this before I get off. So I asked the company, when I went ahead and told the company that the clip ends had broke, I was like, well, you know, the clips are, you know, not that wonderful. They kind of broke. So I would, you know, recommend you sending more clips, you know, when you send out more packaging to more people. And they was like, oh, okay, well, when you order again, I'll send you out some new clips because I'm sorry for the inconvenience or something like that. I was like, cool. So when I placed my order again for the 22 inches, because I already got my 24 and my 12 inch, I went ahead and placed the order for that 22. Do y'all know they still sent me the same amount of clips if they even, I don't remember if they sent me the 2 clips or they didn't send me any clips at all. One or the other, but you still didn't send me any more other than what I had. And I know you sent the same name, the same address, so I was the same person, so you didn't stick to your word, sister. I mean, I don't know, you guys. I really like my clip-ins. I just don't really like the quality of the sewing and the construction of the wig, of the clip-ins. But other than that, the hair bomb. The hair bomb. The hair that's held on to the tracks is bomb. Because who can get some kinky, well, the last time I colored my kinky straight hair, it wasn't as thick as it was before. Y'all see like that little purple up under there? Y'all see, it's just so many colors. That's why I like it. It's just so many colors of purple, blues, a little bit of green. Y'all probably don't see the green on camera, but it's a little green. And I just love it. But other than that, you guys, I really don't have too much to complain about. I love this hair. I hope you guys, you know, go get this hair. But before you go through and purchase it, I would go ahead and let that seller know before you make your order to go ahead and send you some more clips. Or if you have clips on hand that you want to, you know, sew it on your own, perfectly fine, because that's what I did. Guys, let me know what you guys think down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, and if you guys are interested in this makeup look, I did go ahead and film that for you too. So be on the lookout for that video, and I will see you guys in the next video.